Hey guys, today I am here and I have a little baby bird. I found it on the ground and I was wondering if you knew what type of bird it was and what it ate. So I hope you know what it is and what it eats. So please comment down below what type of bird it is and what it eats to rescue it and to help us find its mother and parents. Thank you.